In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use AI chat feature of Duckduckgo browser. By the end, you'll open Duckduckgo, access the AI chat, send a question, review the response, ask follow-ups, adjust chat settings if they're available, and keep using AI chat for your searches. First, open the Duckduckgo browser. Click or tap the Duckduckgo icon to launch it. If a previous session opens, that's fine. Leave it as is. Next, go to https://duckduckgo.com. Click in the address bar at the top, type duckduckgo.com, and press Enter. Wait for the Duckduckgo homepage to load. Now click the AI chat icon, the chat bubble. Look for a speech bubble near the search bar or in the top navigation. Click it once to open the AI chat panel or page. Sign in if prompted. A sign-in prompt may appear the first time you use AI chat, but follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate. This is normal and helps save your chat preferences. If no prompt appears, continue to the chat. Type your question in the chat box. Click into the message field and type a clear question you want answered. For example, you could ask for a quick explanation, a comparison, or help drafting text. Keep your wording simple and direct so the AI understands your intent. Press Enter to send. On desktop, press the Enter key. On mobile, tap the Send arrow. You should see your message appear in the conversation thread immediately. View the AI response. The reply will load beneath your message. Give it a moment if it's still generating. You can scroll to read the full answer. If something looks incomplete, wait until the message finishes before taking your next step, or ask follow-up questions if needed. Click back into the chat box and type what you want clarified or expanded. You can refer to parts of the previous answer or ask the AI to simplify, list steps, or provide examples. The conversation keeps context, so you don't need to repeat your entire question. Just focus on what you want next. Adjust chat settings if available. Look for a settings or menu icon within the chat area. Click it to review any options you can change. Depending on what's offered in your region and version, you may see preferences like clearing the conversation, switching modes, or adjusting privacy-related choices. Make your selections carefully. If you confirm a reset or change, the current chat may clear. This is expected. You can always start a new question afterward. Continue using AI chat for searches. Whenever you have a new query, open the chat bubble and type it in directly. If you're researching, you can ask iterative questions, refine your request, or request summaries to move faster than a standard search. Use the same flow each time. Type, send, review, and follow up. At this point, you've successfully accessed and used the AI chat feature in the Duckduckgo browser, viewed responses, asked follow-up questions, and adjusted settings where available. Everything is set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.